Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn on how to terminate a UTP cable using a 1 gang RJ45 socket outlet. So the devices, the appliances you need to have in order to do this work, you need to have a pliers, you need to have a cutter, so the first step is to strip the cable at least 1 inch long. After stripping the cable, guys, you need to identify the series. If you want to use T568A or T568B. So here guys, we are using series B. Where series B, you need to master the color coding of this cable. UTP cable consists of 8 conductors, and this conductor has color coding, so you need to terminate according to the series and the color coding. So first we need to identify when terminating the cable from right to left. So the first cable will be white orange, then orange, white blue, then blue, white green, then green, then the last cable will be white brown, then brown. So after stripping the cable, you terminate. See guys, you terminate. After terminating, you can set the level, then you fix the nut. See guys, thank you for watching this short video. If you have enjoyed the video, please guys hit that subscription button. Bye bye.